Welcome back. When Lowndes County elected officials were sworn in at the beginning of the month, there was one woman who was a little more familiar with the process than most. District 3 Justice Court Judge Peggy Phillips is beginning her 13th term in office. Shawanda Jones sat down with Judge Phillips away from the bench to find out more about her career. Shawanda joins us live from Lowndes County Justice Court with more.
When Peggy Phillips first took her oath in office in 1976, it just wasn't her first oath. At the time, Miss Peggy was the first woman in Lowndes County to ever serve in her elected position. And as today, Miss Peggy, she is the longest serving member of the justice court system.
I've been a state employee since 1967 and still going strong.
Peggy Phillips has lived many lives, but her favorite is Justice Court Judge. With almost 50 years of experience, Peggy Phillips is one of the longest serving Justice Court judges in the state of Mississippi.
It's an honor to be a judge, but it's an honor for me to have been the first female judge in Lowndes County.
Sworn in 1976, she is now entering her 13th term in this elected position. But it wasn't a straight line to the bench for the Crawford native. Phillips had an electric resume before running for office. She's been a switchboard operator, cattle farmer, TV technician, grocery store owner, teacher's assistant, and even drove a school bus in the county before she made the leap into the law.
You don't have to be an attorney to be a justice court judge, but we're the people's court. People have access to talk to us.
You may not have to go to law school or even have a college degree to serve as a justice judge, but what you do need is a heart to serve your community.
I said I'd be available, I'd be dedicated, and I'd be honest, and I'd be fair. And I've been available. I still have people come to my house now. The other night at 9 o'clock, somebody come knocking on my door. I just tell them, you have to come to justice court. We don't do process at home anymore.
Change was the inspiration that sparked Phillips' judicial career. The 1970s seems so far away from today, yet so similar in a way.
I saw so much injustice for people of color, and I just didn't like what I saw. And I said, there's got to be a change.
Phillips says her faith in God has guided her every step on the path of justice.
I opened my court with prayer, and I asked God to guide me in my decisions. When I lay my head down at night, I don't have any doubt of what I've done that day.
48 years down, how many more to go?
Every day, somebody said, you gonna still be there? I said, well, one day at a time. That's all you can guarantee. We're not guaranteed tomorrow. God will give me the knowledge to know when it's time to go home.
But as long as she has those tomorrows, for now, Judge Peggy Phillips plans to spend them seeing justice is served.
It's been a good life for me.
1976 and 2024, they do share some similarities. Just like back then, Miss Phillips is the only woman serving on the Lowndes County Justice Court judge system. Telling your story here in Lowndes County, Shawanda Jones, WCBI News.